Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Gemini to create print-ready designs that you can use for your Etsy products. First, open your browser and go to Google Gemini. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Next, upload the photo or design that you want to transform or improve. After that, copy the prompt I've left in the video description and paste it into Gemini, then press enter to start the process. Wait a few moments while Gemini generates the new version of your design based on the prompt. Once it's finished, review the result. If you want a different style or design, simply repeat the same process with another photo or adjust the prompt until you're happy with the outcome. After creating your designs, you can upload them to your Etsy product listings, such as posters, wall art, mugs, t-shirts, stickers, or other print-on-demand products. Make sure you review the design carefully and ensure it complies with Etsy's policies and any intellectual property requirements before listing it. And that's it. That's how you can use Google Gemini to help create designs for your Etsy print-on-demand products. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.